the size of the helpless. Despite this violence, we have fallen into submission. You are on high ground, while we are in the lowlands. Now look this way too, to the settlements of the paralyzed. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Whether it is